Reiki Self-Treatment Meditation. Hi, this is Gary Malone from the Reiki Store. Welcome to this special Reiki Self-Healing Guided Meditation. Before we begin, please take a moment to sit down in a comfortable chair that will support your head and allow the muscles in your neck to completely relax. With your feet planted firmly on the floor, place your hands with palms facing upwards on your thighs and gently close your eyes and go inside. You are calm, warm and safe. It's okay now to take this time just for yourself so you can just let go and completely relax. And as you begin to relax, become aware of how your body feels as you sit comfortably in the chair. Notice how your hands feel as they rest gently on your thighs. Sense the weight of your body supported by the chair. And become aware of the texture of the floor beneath the soles of your feet and the gentle sounds of my voice and the music in the background. That's right. Just let go now and completely relax from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Wave upon wave of deep, calming relaxation envelops and warms every muscle, fiber, tissue, cell, and organ of your body. It's okay now to just let go and completely relax. In a moment, I'm going to guide you through this Reiki self-treatment meditation, connecting your mind, body, and spirit to the healing power of Reiki, the universal life force. Begin now by bringing your hands up into the prayer position, just in front of your heart chakra, and silently intone your own personal prayer or invocation so that you can become one with Reiki and channel the flow of Reiki's unconditional love and healing during this session. And as you begin to sense the warm, healing energy of Reiki in the palms of your hands, set out your crystal clear intention so that Reiki, with its unconditional love and infinite wisdom, can go wherever it is needed to deliver on your intention for this session, should it be for your higher good. Open your hands now from the prayer position, as if you were opening up and cradling a book in front of your chest, and move your cupped hands up towards your face and into hand position number 1. Gently resting your palms over your eyes, cheekbones and forehead, as you allow Reiki to flow now into your third eye chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 2, gently placing your hands on top of your head with fingertips touching, as you allow Reiki to flow now into your crown chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 3, gently placing your hands on either side of your head with your fingers covering your temples, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 4, gently moving your hands to rest now on the back of your head, covering your occipital ridge, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 5. Gently moving your hands to cover the top of your shoulders and the bottom of your neck. Healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 6, placing your hands now gently around your neck with the heels of your hands covering your throat chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 7, forming the shape of a T on your chest with your left hand horizontal covering your heart and your right hand placed vertically over your thymus gland, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 8, gently resting your hands, fingertips touching horizontally at the top of the torso across your heart chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 9, placing your hands further down your torso to rest fingertips touching horizontally just above your navel across your solar plexus chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 10, moving your hands down just below your navel now to rest fingertips touching horizontally covering your sacral chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 11, positioning your hands in a V shape inside your hip bones, connecting with your root chakra, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 12. Gently placing your hands over the front of your knees, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Move in now to hand position 13. Gently move your hands now to the back of your knees, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Move in now back up to your shoulders and hand position 14, placing the palms of your hands on top of your shoulders with your fingers pointing down your back as far as possible and comfortable for you, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Moving now to hand position 15, placing your hands horizontally as high up your back towards the bottom of your shoulder blades as possible and is comfortable for you, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Move in now to hand position 16, placing your hands horizontally, fingertips touching at the lower back area, just below the back of your rib cage, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Move in now to hand position 17. Rest your hands at the base of the spine, fingertips touching, forming a V shape. Healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Finally, move in now to hand position 18, bending over in the chair to place your hands over the top of your feet if possible or comfortable, or you can bring your feet up onto the chair and rest your hands over your feet, healing, rebalancing, reinvigorating. Now bring this self-healing session to a close by bringing your hands up to your crown chakra and performing an auric sweep from the top of your head all the way down your body and legs to your feet, touching the floor before repeating the auric sweep a second and third time. Thank Reiki for this self-healing session before closing down and grounding yourself back into the present moment. Open your eyes, wide awake, feeling calm, relaxed, positive and reinvigorated. Namaste.